We got this 1968 Camaro 396 5-speed. It's blue, seems like to be the month of blue. We had a blue 65 Impala SS 396 car just left last week. Now we got this Le Mans blue 68 Camaro. It's got an aftermarket subframe, vintage air, and power steering, disc brakes. Everything's been upgraded, 4-wheel disc brakes. Got a Moser 12-bolt posi rear end. We've been doing a little knockoff list for the customer. He has some window adjustments and he's not happy with the way the brakes are stopping. And we're going to do a little paint correction, clean up some of that. We went through the trunk and cleaned the trunk up with splatter paint and trunk mat. A little more work to do there. And the next project here, we're going to change out these wheels. It's got the old school 15-inch Kragers, and the 15x8s on the front are rubbing, which on the 67, 68 Camaro, and that 15-inch size wheel, it's hard to get an 8-inch wheel that don't rub. So we're going to upgrade him to some newer 18-inch wheels and give this car a little more modern look, a little better ride. So we'll get it back inside, look at them brakes and see what we can do about fixing the power brakes on it, and get this wheel swapped out. Okay, so we took the Camaro out for a test drive. Want to get a feel for what the customer was looking at, what he was feeling at the brakes. Just kind of want to make sure, because sometimes when you get out of your brand new 2020 Silverado truck and you jump into this old 60s model cars, the brakes and steering feel a little different from what you're expecting. But true enough, the vacuum booster doesn't appear to be working after the first step of the brakes, so we're not making enough vacuum. We've checked the motor for vacuum leaks. Everything is good. Right here at the booster, we're only pulling right about 11 to 12 inches of vacuum, and we need to have about 18 to 20, 23, somewhere in there. So we're going to add a vacuum pump, an electric vacuum pump, to help back up this small booster, and we're going to mount it inside this wheel well up in here behind this water bottle, so it's not seen. You'll have a little bit of vibration, which we'll try to dampen it with some rubber bushings and whatnot. And it comes with the bracket kit and the mounting kit. This is a kit we get from Jegs, and it comes with everything, with the vacuum pump, mounting brackets, relays, wiring, some hose. I've used this kit before on some other vehicles that did real well, and so we will get on that and get that put on. And then our wheels showed up finally. FedEx lost 2 of them for about a week, and we'll get these wheels mounted here after we get the brakes fixed. So we'll get started. All right, it took a minute, but we got the vacuum pump mounted inside the fender well. We'll go back and clean that up here just a bit. It's got a test fitted in there for now, and get the hoses run and wire it up. But it'll hide away in that corner back behind that washer bottle, and we're gonna try to get over here a little bit of Christmas time here. It's time to open up these wheels. Like kids' Christmas. All right. A new set of Coys 18-inch wheels. We're gonna swap them things out with them old Kragers and put these babies on. And we'll get on that and see how she looks. We got the vacuum pump mounted and finished up, got tucked in. There she is back in there. You can hear it, but you can't see it. But it's a lot better than having no brakes. So this, as I said before, we had, I guess, the camshaft in this motor wasn't making much vacuum, and so now we got full pedal through traffic, and just feels a lot safer driving. But there she is. Thought I'd give you a shot of the underside of this Camaro. Probably had it up on the lift. This is aftermarket subframe, racking pinion steering, 5-speed. Check out the floor pans. Super, super clean. Everything's new. Got rid of the old Kragers. Got these Coys C-44s on here with a gunmetal gray. 18 by 8s on the front, 18 by 9.5s on the back. Got the right back spacing now, so no rubbing. Got bigger tires, wider wheels, no rubbing. Now he shows off the disc brakes a little better. You can see the caliper and the rotor. That's good.